Sistema eh.
Wala nag-succeed.
Yung sistema, kinakain sila eh.
Yun.
O, ilan dyan ang mga street parliamentarians yung nagmamarcha, naupo sa pwesto,
Na iba.
na iba. Sila na yung kanilang dating tinutuligsa, sila na yung mga tinutuligsa. So, anong nangyari? Sabi ko, this is the only Christian country in this part of the world.
Oh, I didn't know. Are we still Christian?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Sige.
We are maybe 75% Catholics. And the other din of Christianity. So Christians pa rin, di ba? But why are we like this? Di ba? Hilaw na Kristiyano tayo. Ang democracy natin, it is democracy in form but not in substance. We go through the election, etc., etc. But is it really election? Andyan yung mga dayaan.
Do you think it's really the fault of the leaders over the decades? Sila ang nagkamali because they have been misled. They did not have the conviction, the courage of conviction when they got into power? Or is it the people, the opportunity, or what do you think?
Okay. Ito sarili kong isip. Ano?
Oh, of course, of course.
Noong 1521, dumating si Magellan sa Pilipinas. Nakita nila, ang ganda-ganda ng bayang ito. Mayaman, maraming spices, may gold, everything. It's a rich country. Pero teka, tinan mo yung mga tao. Every island, may kanya-kanyang salita. Ha? Doon lang sa Luzon, nasa Maynila ka, Tagalog. 100 kilometers to the north, Kapampangan na. Diba? Tapos Ilocano na. Sa Bicol, ganito din. Sa Bisaya. I think we have about 160 different dialects in this country.
Yes.
Okay? Sabi nung mga Kastila, wag natin pag-isahin yung mga yan. Let it stay there.
Keep the Indios, Bobo.
Oo. Para madali natin silang makontrol. So for 400 years, sinabi nung Kastila, kayo mga Pilipino, mga gago kayo, tanga kayo. Tingnan mga bahay nyo, puro nipahat. Kami may mga Kastilyo sa Europa, etc. Kasi kayo mga tanga, gago kayo. Opo, gago po ako, sir. Gago po ako, amo. Narinig nung anak ng Pilipino, gago si tatay, gago na rin po ako. Gago na rin. 400 years, puro gago. Dumating ang Amerikano, ganun din naman ang intention nila sa atin. Wala rin. Gusto rin lang hututin tayo niya. Pero binigyan tayo ng democracy kasi nahihiya sila. Bigyan natin ng democracy. Sabi ng Pilipino, na 400 years na slave. Ano ba yung democracy? Sabi ng Amerikano, it's government of the people, for the people, by the people. That is democracy. Government, sabi ng Pilipino, pamahalaan of the people. People, kami, people. For the people, for. Pati yung mga mahihirap.
Para sa kanila.
For. Hindi, for. P-O-O-R.
For. Sige.
Tapos, and by the people, by. Bibili natin yung mahihirap na yan. Sabi ng mga leader, para tayo lagi nasa pwesto. That is democracy in the Philippines.
You're really a comedian by nature, aren't you?
And I just put in a different...
Sige, carry on.
I just put things in a different perspective. And so, that's what we are. That's why I say, at tayo mga Pilipino, we are democratic, we seem to exercise democracy, but we don't know our responsibilities as a democracy.
Do you agree with the word democracy and with what the Americans introduced into this country? Was the Filipino ready for democracy?
No.
Are we even ready today for democracy?
The Americans fought for it. They fought each other. They had civil war before they had democracy.
So we have a wrong system of democracy today, the rule of the majority.
They had the bloods of their brothers and cousins in their hands.
I agree with you.
And those who were left standing, they said, this will not happen again. There was complete remorse.
Yes.
I will not let this happen again. We never had that.
None.
Tayo, segregated. Bisaya, Ilocano, etc., etc. Each island seems to be one nation.
Do you believe that the other countries, for example, our neighbor Southeast Asian countries, of course, many of them, depending on whatever index, many of them already achieved first world status, developing world status, naunahan na tayo. Now, they don't necessarily practice democracy. We know that, iba-iba. In fact, we're the only ones that are really practicing democracy. Tayo ba nagkakamali doing democracy? Should we be practicing a socialistic type of dictatorial, whatever. Because we've already tried that under Marcos. It did not work.
It did not work because the leaders
Failed.
failed.
But the first, I believe the first 5-8 years, I think, was very good.
Okay, we were there.
Yeah, nandun na tayo.
We were there.
The new society.
Oh, nandun na.
Nandun na.
Everybody was following.
But the leader seems to have succumbed to
Pero
other
tingnan mo
issues.
ang Pilipino, if you noticed in the first EDSA 1, umalis na si Marcos, etc., etc. Ang ganda ng Pilipino.
Oo, ang ganda nga.
Brother,
May nationalism eh.
loved it.
May identity.
Yes.
May identity. Nawala na naman.
Nawala after 2 months lang yata. Bakit ba ganun tayo?
Bakit nga? Ano tingin?
Hindi ko alam. Alam mo tayong mga Pilipino, madali tayong magpatawad, madali tayong makalimot. Siguro, yung ating positiveness is also our failure. Yung ating magandang kalooban, yun din ang ating kahinaan. Nung araw, ang presidente si Marcos, ang senador na Aquino. Ngayon, ang presidente Aquino, may senador na Marcos. Paikot-ikot. Paikot-ikot lang tayo. Yun ang tune din. Di ba? Saan tayo pupunta?
Well, ako personally, I call it democracy because the rule of the majority in this case. If the majority is not as learned and not as educated, ang nangyayari because the majority rules, then, it's like saying, di ba, the strength of a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. Pag yung isang link na yung naputo, baliwala yung chain. The strength of the chain, no matter if it's made of bakal, di ba? Hindi pwede. Ang nangyayari nga dyan, parang ganun ang base ko. What do? We have the majority who rules us because we believe we should have a democracy, the democracy. But the ones that rule us are those who don't want to read, write, understand, learn, study, and yet they are the rule that guide us. For example, in this last election. Now, in this election, we've always, in media and everybody else, it's been discussed so many times, please do not vote for oligarchs, for people who, are corrupt and whatnot. In fact, there's already direct advertising who is bad and who is good. And yet, those non-performers in many institutions like the Senate and Congress, many were re-voted again. Ito, issue mo, andun si Marcos, ang senador si Aquino. Ngayon nagkabaliktad. So, is it the fault of the learned, the leaders, or is it the fault of the many who really decide for us?
Mapupustrate ka lang eh. Yung the many who really decide for us is 80% of the population.
Probably more.
Or more. So, yung argumento natin talo na. Kaya ang gusto ko sanang gawin ito, sino ba ang stakeholder ng gobyerno sa mga mamamayan? Yung mga taong nagbabayad ng buwis.
But it's undemocratic to say...
Teka muna.
Sige.
Pero, yung democracy pinaiiral mo naman, it does not also follow the real principles of democracy. Kasi yung mga taong sinasabi natin 80%, these are the people who can be herded like sheep.
Correct.
By the barangay chairman, by the mayor.
Which is the practice.
Ito ang iboboto natin.
Correct.
Dito tayo.
Tama po yan.
Walang democracy yan. Walang democracy yan.
But it is them that are attracted towards the world that they live in. For example, they believe, they only see, you're only as good as what you know. I always say that in the show, on the start of the show, you're only what you watch. Kasi ngayon, the number one medium is really audio-video. Hindi na dyaryo, hindi na radyo. So, they're exposed to the mediums and the platforms of entertainment that they're exposed to. Basically, entertainment. Because after all, ba't sila magpapapagod? Pagod na nga sila, gusto nila may entertain. So, manonood sila entertainment, yung broadcast naman, gusto lang kumita. Kung anong gusto nyo, bibigay namin sa inyo, isusubo namin sa inyo. Yun na nga eh.
While we are there, pare, you touch another favorite theory of mine. If I were president, I will plead to the national advertisers, Coca-Cola, San Miguel, toothpaste, whatever, yung inyong mga commercial, lagyan nyo ng konting value formation. Lagyan nyo ng value formation. At kayong mga gumagawa ng mga teleserye dyan, ng mga Darna, mga kung ano